Do you ever feel completely drained after a workout? Or struggle with low energy throughout the day? Dehydration and loss of essential electrolytes can leave you feeling sluggish, fatigued, and unable to perform at your best. When your electrolyte levels drop, it's not just about being thirsty. It affects your energy, muscle function, and focus. Whether you're an athlete or just trying to get through a busy day, dehydration can hit hard, leaving you with cramps, dizziness, and fatigue. MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Electrolyte Complex powder is your go-to solution for staying hydrated and energized. With a perfect blend of essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, it helps replenish what your body loses during exercise or daily activities. Just one scoop of this refreshing powder restores your body's natural balance, prevents muscle cramps, and keeps your energy levels high, so you can perform at your peak no matter the challenge. Don't let dehydration slow you down. Recharge with MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Electrolyte Complex powder and feel the difference.